No, the one interesting topic. It is known as the white washing of the wall. And you know about in the olden time and past time also, our grandfather, grandmother, okay, now our father, okay, mix it, using the calcium oxide with the water, okay, it is known as the calcium hydroxide. Now see, solution of the slake line, quick line, slake line, okay. Now use the whitewashing of the wall, okay, whitewashing of the wall, and it is known as the calcium hydroxide. And anyone girls tell me beta what is the formula of the calcium hydroxide? Anandi? Very good. CaOH2. Okay, calcium hydroxide. Now see, it is known as the calcium hydroxide in the form of the aqueous. Okay, solid and water. That time we are mixing. It is known as the aqueous solution, calcium hydroxide. So after calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide. Calcium hydroxide reacts with the slowly carbon dioxide in the air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate. Okay, and what is the formula of the calcium? CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, now calcium carbonate is the form after 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and give the shiny finish to the wall. Now another, it is the interesting to note that chemical formula of the marble याद में देखो, बनाए हंसी ताजमहल, जाना है ना उसको, तो उसमें क्या यूज किया गया? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, एंड कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट also known as the marble. Okay. So very simple. Calcium hydroxide react with the carbon dioxide and we form with the calcium carbonate and water. Okay, it is known as the whitewashing and this is the very important formula. How to give to shiny finishing to the wall. Okay. अब अगर इसका हिंदी में अगर हम देखा जाए तो हमें चूने का पानी लेना है. चूना पता है आपको, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, पानी में मिक्स करें तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनता है. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को जैसे मान लो मंदिर, मस्जिद, दरगाह वगैरह पे हम मारते, चूना मारते वॉल को, वो वॉल पे मार दिए. 2 या 3 दिन के बाद में जब चूना मारना हो गया, उसको व्हाइट वॉशिंग देना हो गया, 2-3 दिन के बाद में वो दीवार पे इतनी चमक आती है, इतना व्हाइट होता है, हम बोलते हैं इतना व्हाइट तो था नहीं 2 दिन पहले, इतना व्हाइट कैसा बन गया ये? ओके, उसका रीजन ये है बिकॉज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में 0.03% carbon dioxide are present. Nitrogen is how many percent? How much percent? Oxygen 71. Okay, and the remaining 1% is other gases. और वो other gases में भी argon है 0.01%. Carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Okay, and remaining dust particle and the remaining gases is the present. 0.03% carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, and due to carbon dioxide is slowly react with the calcium carbonate. Okay, layer of the calcium carbonate of the wall. इस वजह से बेटा दीवारों पे चमक आती है, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? And now this is the example of combination reaction.